Imagine a world where understanding the why behind human behavior isn't just a matter of speculation, but a science. This world is where social psychologists thrive, unraveling the mysteries of human behavior in social contexts. Social psychologists are like detectives of the social world, examining how individual thoughts, feelings, and behaviors are influenced by the presence of others, be they real, imagined, or implied. Now, let's explore the diverse arenas where these social detectives apply their expertise. Academic research. Many social psychologists are engaged in research within universities and colleges. They conduct studies, publish papers, and contribute to the academic body of knowledge on topics like group dynamics, social perception, and interpersonal relationships. Marketing and consumer behavior. Understanding how people are influenced by advertising, brands, and shopping environments is crucial for marketers. Social psychologists in this field study consumer attitudes, decision-making processes, and the effects of social influence on buying behavior. Organizational behavior. In the corporate world, social psychologists analyze workplace dynamics. They explore leadership, team functioning, employee motivation, job satisfaction, and organizational culture, providing insights for improving productivity and employee well-being. Healthcare and public health. Here, social psychologists work on understanding how social factors influence health and illness. They study topics like patient-doctor communication, the impact of social support on health outcomes, and how to encourage healthy behaviors through public health campaigns. Environmental psychology. In this field, social psychologists examine how people interact with their physical environments. They research topics like how social norms influence environmental behavior and how public spaces can be designed to promote social interaction and well-being. Legal and forensic psychology. Social psychologists in the legal arena study jury behavior, eyewitness testimony, and decision-making processes in the legal system. They often serve as consultants or expert witnesses in court cases. Education and school psychology. Working in educational settings, social psychologists focus on how social and emotional factors affect learning. They develop strategies to improve teacher-student relationships, peer interactions, and school policies to enhance educational outcomes. Government and public policy. In this sector, social psychologists advise on policy development, especially policies that aim to change social behavior. Their expertise is valuable in areas like public health, environmental policy, and urban planning. Counseling and clinical psychology. Although primarily the domain of clinical psychologists, some social psychologists specialize in understanding and treating psychological issues from a social context perspective, focusing on how interpersonal and societal factors contribute to mental health. Technology and user experience. With the digital revolution, social psychologists are increasingly involved in understanding how people interact with technology. They work on user experience, UX research, designing technology that is socially intuitive and user-friendly. In all these areas, social psychologists apply their understanding of human behavior to solve real-world problems. They bridge the gap between theory and practice, providing insights that are not only academically fascinating, but also practically invaluable. As Kurt Lewin, often considered the father of modern social psychology, aptly put it, there is nothing so practical as a good theory. Social psychologists embody this sentiment, turning theory into practice in various fields to better understand and improve the human experience.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.